Hi, I am Heather Ziccarelli, owner of Owl Cleaners Premier Bridal Cleaning and Preservation. For 69 years, my family has provided the highest level of care for Pittsburgh's finest bridal and evening wear. I am super excited to be here today and to grow within the Burgh Brides community. I love working with brides who adore their dresses and want to treasure them forever. The favorite part of my job is taking the worst mud-laden and red wine-stained dresses and restoring them to their original condition so they can be cherished for any future moment. It's truly joyous to hear each bride's wedding day story. I love when they share pictures and tell me all about their dress and special memories of the day. These relationships are all truly unique and they trust me, and that's what inspires me to take on all of the challenges of restoring their dress to pre-day wedding pristine. As part of our white glove gown preservation process, our brides personally inspect their gown after it is cleaned. Then it is carefully preserved using a completely acid-free preservation box system. Then it is encased in a muslin bag with a silk rope, providing an extra layer of beauty and protection. It is always our goal to present our very best work to every bride. As Pittsburgh's only member of Wedding Gown Specialists and America's Best Cleaners, we are the trusted premier gown service in Pittsburgh. We look forward to meeting with you. Please visit our website for a personal appointment.